others to follow. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Goodbye.
Good morning and welcome to SLBC Television. Every other Friday we kick out the Mercury Hour for you, and may they bring unto you this morning my name Bye Bye Bangura. Inside the program this morning we will tell you everything we need to know about the Lotto. We from the backbone of Mercury International, because in they play 6 times a day and definitely they give winnings every other 2 hours. We go can tell you the importance of the Lotto. We go tell you the importance of the forecasters, and including the forecast numbers. Then we then I will navigate in between and see how best definitely yourself go make yourself comfortable with the #1 betting company in the country. And so we be know say we get the international break will be full of injuries, you know, injuries to Arsenal, injuries to Tottenham, injuries to Manchester City. So we be packed, you know, and we come back with a lot of action over the weekend. And inside the particular long list fixtures and the mega list fixtures, you know, say we get the promotion where they go on the winner the 100%. We go can tell you how that one day look like. But with me now the studio, I get my colleagues them who can hang it together and bring you the program. Now me immediately try to get the deputy manager at the Lotto department, Mr. Femi Cole, where they with this morning for tell you exactly how the Lotto they fare on. Good morning, Mr. Cole.
Yeah, good morning, Chief. Bye bye Bangura. Welcome back. I know it's been a difficult past 2 weeks for you, but thank God. I mean, the house you, we are okay. Good morning to customers, them, retailers, them alike.
All right, another voice of the deputy manager from the Lotto department, Mr. Femi Cole, and of course I get Samuel Bidwell, where you always wish good luck.
Thank you very much. Good morning to you, viewers, listeners, customer of Mercury International, and the gallant soldiers that the man they holding at the red box.
That the retailers.
Good. Yes, sir.
All right.
Good morning to you, safe, Chief. Bye bye.
All right. Of course, I get now my far right, Mr. Martin, where they come up from the bookmakers department, and that gets to do with the football department, the Mercury. Martin, good morning.
Yes, one good morning to you. Bye bye. Also to lovely customers out there, we wish you a well this morning. And we say good morning.
All right, this is the team who will bring you the discussion of the different products of Mercury International this morning. And don't forget, say Mercury Self definitely did in a very, very big promotion when it comes to the online. We get a brand new Suzuki from the factory where they up for grab, you know. And of course, we will tell you the do's and don'ts as well, how we forgo about for definitely be part of that particular raffle draw day. You said we'll clinch up because we're #1 when it comes to betting, and for that particular reason with the spread right across and make sure say we cater for everybody, including the grassroots people. We will start this morning the ball rolling for you the first Lotto result we don't come out already, and with that I will start with the manager deputy na the Lotto world winner, Mr. Femi Cole, will definitely bring to you the result. Mr. Cole, good morning again.
Yeah, once again, viewers, then good morning. Laguna, the first Lotto results winner the Bintumani draw for this morning at the 9 a.m. draw. The winning numbers them as follows: 5050, single number 4, 3131, 8787, and 5959. That go over again: 5050, single number 4, 3131, 8787, and 5959. The extra 6 na single number 3, extra 7 na 1515. The machine numbers are 2323, 6868, 8686, 5551, and 5151. Now go over the machine numbers them again: 2323, 6868, 8686, 5555, and 5151. So Once again, on behalf of management and staff of Mark International, I say congratulations to all on the way play and win this first draw, the Bintuman the draw. You will not get luck this first draw. You get 5 more opportunities throughout the course of the day for play. The next draw will happen 11 a.m. very soon, and we will bring you the results on our social media platform through radio FM 92.1. And any other side, if you say you don't forget the results, just stay put, you will get your results in there.
All right, of course, you don't get them from the man himself, where now Mr. Femi Cole, where don't bring you that particular one day. But Femi, I still deal with you. When it comes to the products of Mercury International, the Lotto definitely form the backbone.
Yeah. Looking
at the rates at which they play, the timing at which they play, and of course, the way how people they benefit of them. Take me through that particular one day, because definitely now we get the 9 o'clock game, where we do deliberately for make sure say as bank they transact, we don't begin for transact, you know. So take me through the importance of them games.
Well, let us look like for una way they play on a popular ball. If you watch the Bintuman results, now go see say we'll get on our way now the machine. We'll get 6-8-8-6. So you they play 2-3 daily. You're not a fan of Turbo, you play 2-3 daily. Obviously you don't get 6-8-8-6. You they play super and daily safe as well. I mean, it don't come back daily. I mean, all the other ball them, yes, not go sound popular, but I can always tell people, they say every ball from 1 to 90 gets equal chance of coming. And right now as I talk, so trust me, we will not get thousands of winners. Then any single draw, they get thousands of winners in Mark International. All you need for do and for focus well, believe in the instinct. If a dream ball you play or you get a permanent ball, obviously one day will come. The one day when they play 6-8-8-6 super and daily, I don't say by now if you play on daily, obviously you don't win something. Not about 3 machine you play them, trust me again, you don't win something. So that I can always tell people them Lotto na 6 draws a day. We need to tell people and say you for play all the 6 draws them. At Mark International, we tell people say play responsibly, because we now can bring economic strain na your life, say power this thing for play them. Now make a minimum stake na 2 lions. So if now 2 lions you will play for the 6 draws, it will just cost you a minimum of 12 lions for day. Okay? But that 2 lions day can give 6 million. Imagine if you play Turbo Boost, you get the first 2 numbers every come. At 2 lions at 6 million, you don't get so. So you ask yourself, say, how much business I go invest in this country where I go put 2 lions, I get 6 million inside an hour. It's not easy. Pass Mark International. So we'll continue for play responsibly. Of course, we know the age brackets. If you below 18 years, you know for play, you know for sell at the get box as well. And if you Cumbra, not right for sell picking, where they below 18 years for even play for yourself.
All right, of course, you don't get that particular analysis there by the deputy manager from the Lotto world. They tell you, say, you need for the between the age brackets, and of course, they don't tell you about the importance of the Lotto, including the numbers them we come out this morning for let you say definitely play and of course win. And for you who don't win, congratulations, you will fail for win. Of course, we get 5 more games for you, so I just want to wish you better luck. Well, I come to you, Samuel Bidwell. We get this team who we can call forecasters, you know. We get the Mercury Forecasters Association, we get of course Wiseman, we get of course MB Kenema, we get Super Pina Watalu, where Nalumsar, where they all can give you predictions, where they give an insight to the games them where they offer. So tell customers then this morning about the importance of them particular predictions then they, even though they can come plenty, but we can always advise customers then through a radio that stick with a particular forecaster where you know say this one meant to get the same luck, and when you give out numbers you try those numbers.
Yes, thank you very much, bye, and thank you very much for viewers and listeners and the gallant soldiers of Mercury International. Forecasters, the numbers that what they predict, so you then give no overlook. When you overlook, you can get out. When you don't overlook, you not can get out, you get bots. What I mean, If you overlook the number, say, well, he don't give a good number. Take the number what you need. Because the man and they not to mark you, they pay them. They pay themselves. But they get out number to you. The number what you need, choose them.
All right.
Like the last time, the first study, yes. One man give number winner 2772.
Yeah, I see play right up.
A player.
Yeah.
And he give one P1 winner 90. A player.
Okay.
So you not get for overlook. That what we this is, you know, sweep me, I can sweep you.
Okay, all right. That's how we think Samuel Bidwell tell you about the importance of the forecasters. We can give out the numbers them every other day. So continue for make sure say you get your forecaster way they stick with. Initially, we hear from the manager. We tell you say, of course, some people can play them dream ball. Some people can play them birthday dates them, you know. And for that particular reason, we can see say then they win every other day. So stick and stay with Mercury International and see how best definitely you they get you winnings every other day, because we they bring you exactly what you need for no now you doorstep or usai ever you define the red box. And the importance of the red box then are that at exactly 9 a.m. now you corner you they meet them, they don't open now the street you they meet them daily, and of course then they all over for make sure say all customers get tickets. We will make them potential winners of the products we the offer. You still the view Mercury Hour on SLBC television, and me they make the program reach you this morning. My name Bye Bangura. They with the team, of course, Mr. Femi Cole, I'm immediate right that the deputy manager for the Lotto World. We get Samuel Bidwell, we are one of the gallant soldiers inside a particular department there. But I turn my attention now to the bookmaking department, because when it comes to the weekend, you know, it's a very big competition between the Lotto sales and that of football, you know. And of course, if you look at football, we get the international break, and some people they look at them say the international break it can straightforward. When you look at the odds them, you look at the powers of the different countries they're way to play, unlike club football. Club football gets a different assorted players where they come up from different countries and they can form a very formidable force, you know. Unlike country football, you just get for stick and stay with the materials them we get, and that can make them straightforward when it comes to betting. And for that particular reason, we see the midweek, the last weekend, we see people definitely get for win from the online. People get for win from the normal red box. But I come to Martin. Martin, the weekend is here and is full with action. You know, one of the big case study of this particular weekend will they single out now the game between Arsenal and that of Tottenham Hotspur. Looking at the injuries of Arsenal, looking at the injuries of Tottenham Hotspur, that don't definitely tell you about the weaknesses and the strength of them particular team then they going forward into the match, you know. And based on that, we bookmakers, with the outside, with international partners, they definitely look at the odds in that particular way, the weakness, the strength, the injury, and at the end of the day, give them odds them. So in a nutshell, just take me through as to how the weekend gets for look like, because we get the Premier League in action, the Serie A is back on stage, we get the German Bundesliga, we get the Spain, the Spanish La Liga. They all day for you inside the one pot, and we can call them the long list or the mega list fixtures.
Thank you very much, bye. You know, before coming to Arsenal and Spurs, let me start with Manchester United, Southampton.
Okay.
Now we see that, so and just say with analysis and Sky Football. You know, everybody don't Sky for cried out Manchester United, but at this stage, I believe say they go for take on Southampton. Despite they go away, you understand? Despite they go away, then Bukuma can say no, na home advantage. You look for Lukasu. Manchester they get one quality in them. Whenever they meet up certain teams, them, you know they allow for make them dominate them, not for sure.
Okay.
Only even the big teams themselves they play with. They can take on Manchester United, but it is so difficult at the end of the day So I start with that odd stay first. Migi, Manchester, handicap or Southampton.
Okay, so suppose you really watch you, where you don't know about handicap, what do you mean?
Handicap, what's it at the time for top is that Manchester will beat above 2 goals.
Okay.
2 goals above.
Okay.
2 goals difference. You understand? That's the handicap. 3-1. Let me say 2-0, 3-1, 4-2, all that in a handicap. Then we come to Liverpool. That at the time for 10, but Saturday fixtures.
Okay.
Before coming to Sunday.
Yeah.
You see, I don't say give options them on how people will be, a feedback on how they go bet.
Okay.
Now we come to Liverpool. I take Liverpool. You understand? Liverpool will play Nottingham Forest. I take Liverpool. I come to Man City. I take Man City against Brentford. You understand? And I clean bank at one day. Then you come to Chelsea. Chelsea the form where I see how they start. Then we take on Bournemouth also. Bournemouth not get the strength for take on Chelsea. No way. You understand? So I don't give 4 good options in my house. We go make people win super money. Then also I go France quickly. I take on PSG. All my Mbappe don't left PSG this and that counts alone, but they still get the manpower for take on Brest. You understand? So with the Saturday fixtures, we get a lot of teams that we jump at. But why waiting? I can always advise customers them look through the options the way we offer now. You understand? 1, you get is to 17. That 17 they tell you say over 1.5 goals. You understand? 2, we get both teams to score. Now for that you get man win, unless you depend on the bigger side team. You get both teams to score. Now you get handicap, you don't get team goal before the game starts. It's okay, I don't give Manchester City 1 goal. So if the game goes safe 1-1, that goal they safe stand. You understand? Now coming to Arsenal, I can give Arsenal 1 goal, or I can give Spurs 1 goal on Sunday. You understand? How the game end now, because that one they get for the both team to score.
Okay.
And also get for the over 1.5 goals, despite the injuries there. But at the end of the day, I see the Gunners for take us.
Okay, Martin, I think that's now a very a good analysis, and of course that's alone a guideline for people for win. But let's just take you through your comfort zone. I know say very much comfortable there when it comes to the bonuses, of all the matches we don't talk about. There is 100% bonus at stake. How people will definitely get them inside the long list and that of the mega list fixture. So people they look at them say when we say 100% bonus, if you take you 5 teams them and then 5 teams then they win, you don't eligible for get the 100% bonus. But I think it's not working like that. So just take me through as to how people they get this particular 100% bonus. We know say they start from 1 and the pinnacle now 15. Exactly. And if you get 15 teams all go or all correct, which means you don't hit the 100%. So take me through that one day.
Yeah, thank you very much also. You see, when we talk about this bonus, we really want make customer take great advantage on it.
Okay.
Not let us make it pass. Say at the wait next week if I begin bet. You see the fixtures for the weekend. Na tough fixtures. Na fixtures when they bring money. So with the help of this bonus, trust me, you get more money. And the bonus starts from 5 teams. And when you take 5 teams, that's 5 selections. You bet on all 5 teams in the tell like how I've been analyzing as well. All 5 teams in the grab. What's it happen? You get a 5% bonus. You understand? That if you enable for win 200,000, 5% they include by that 200,000 day. You understand? When they add for you, we're gonna make your money come up.
So the higher you go,
yes,
the higher the percentage.
Exactly. You get 6 teams.
Okay.
All 6 win. What's it happen? You get 10%.
Okay.
You understand? For when they add to your total winning, you get 7 teams when at 15%. You understand? When they add to your total winning, then come now to the biggest one when at 15 teams. You know, say Somalia free long throw. What's that long throw? Friday today, Saturday tomorrow, then you get Sunday. 3 days. So make a take a long throw. You can take 15 teams. 15 teams to 100%. Let me say instead of 15 teams stay, you don't take second half most goals. You don't take both teams to score. You don't take over 1.5 goals. You don't take first half, Man City beats. First half, Liverpool beats. You understand? First half, Chelsea beats. You don't do all the permutation and throughout the options then. Then what's happen now? You can't happen say you go through 15 teams gap.
Wow.
Then you win 1 billion. 100%.
Go ahead. So that particular one day.
We go make.
You go 2 billion.
You know, the community you achieve.
Yeah, and no one does this better than
so
we do. And that's make we number one for all the reasons, you know. And you don't get that particular bonus analysis there from the experts them way. The experts where they come out from the bookmakers department. You still watch Mercury Hour on SLBC television. My name Bye Bye Bangura. Love we just take you through the online department because we get a very young baby, so dynamic where we nurture inside that particular one day, and the baby na the brand new Suzuki, you know, where they come up from the factory. It not even reach 100 kilometers. It has been unveiled to the public and see how best you said they go for them. These are some of the ways them where you will definitely do for be part of that particular raffle draw day. In the first place, if you're not there now the online facility, you for make sure say you sign up with the online. You know, if you not sabi, definitely register yourself. You can come with 26 Walpole Street office. Then can take you to the online family and see how best to be member. The second thing for obtain your credit or your voucher where they use for do your betting. You can get that one through the red boxes. You can get them through Afri Money and you can get them through Orange Money. And at the same time, we get this particular stake minimum where you for definitely get before you make you qualify. The first thing that each ticket where you bet for make you qualify na the online for the raffle draw na 25 leons. And that particular 25 leons, they need 10 tickets of 25 leons where they definitely give you one chance inside that particular raffle draw day, you know. And the raffle draw, it is spanned up to the 31st of December, and on the 1st of January 2025, we will definitely bring the raffle draw to you. These are some of the goodies them again. You they play inside a particular qualification day for the Suzuki. If you tickets they happen for win, you know mean say just qualify or make you one of the qualifiers of the draw, then they pay you first of those winning tickets, you get your money. At the same time, then ticket then they lead you to qualifying. And of course, if you lose again, we not go pay you because you know win, you know, but at the same time, they're not to deprive you from getting into the raffle draw. So that your tickets we lost, they even propel you for being one of the winners of the raffle draw and the brand new Suzuki. These are some of the things that we don't need for do. Will they register you as a first timer because we had the bonus scheme, we they give you a bonus. That particular bonus, they use them for bets, you know, because you know go take Whipamai for definitely fry we. And at the same time, when you go for a brand new Suzuki, yourself out there need for be very much serious because you go for a brand new car, and at the end of the day, you get for lay some preference inside that particular emphasis inside that particular one day. And the other thing now, the cash out option. We get the cash out option at the online. Where they give you, say you don't play 10 teams and 8 teams don't win already. You want the money, you say yes. You go ahead and cash out that particular money day. Then go give you the money because now you're winning. And it has been stated that you definitely need for cash out if you want to. But that particular ticket, they definitely not going to make you qualify, you know, for that particular raffle draw day. That ticket, they not going to make you qualify because you don't already withdraw your money without you waiting the conclusion of the game them where you bet on. And another sweet thing inside a particular raffle draw day, now that you know they only bet on football. We get games like the casino, we get games like the Vegas, the volleyball, the long tennis, and including football. You can bet on all those games will give you a qualification into the raffle draw. So we don't bring the opportunities to your doorstep. It's left with you now for grab the opportunity and see that say you make yourself convenient. Very recently, inside the month of August, we've been done dish out a brand new Okada to start with, you know. And secondly, inside the same online, we count keke. And of course, journalists from SLBC will testify with her. They say then be they also they hand over the keke to the rightful owner, and he was very, very much surprised that then call him from even upline say in one of the winner of the products then, because we've been get other different winners, we've been win different team them, but in be the principal winner will be definitely win the keke. So who say you the wait now? I want for you to come out from your comfort zone a little bit, you know, and see how best you the shake body. Make sure say you join the online facility, and of course get yourself the brand new Suzuki. It already they na plastic. Most of the time where we they use motocar them na Freetown, na second-hand vehicles. We can don't do thousands of mileage, you know, but then can look good. What about the one we not even do 100 kilometers, and at the same time a day inside plastic, you will be the first person for drive together with your family. I want for wish you well, provided you take the opportunity, because good things they come to the people and who believe in it, you know. So you get for believe in the process of Mercury International and definitely take the responsibility. I will come again to Femi Cole, where now the deputy manager at the Lotto World for Mercury International. Mr. Femi, today is another day. And most of the time, Mercury International rely on the retailers. And if you look at the work of the retailers, the Lotto work, it definitely had more than every other work, because then they keep them at least till 8 o'clock.
Of course.
You know, because football, sometimes you can don't close by then 4, by then 6, everybody they look game now and know the outcome. But these guys are there until 8 p.m. before ever then go away, because they want to give people them that equal opportunity for win the games there. Yeah. So what you want to say to the customers, the retailers, in order for them to then get an amicable atmosphere in terms of business transaction?
Okay, thank you very much. Bye. What I want to start by saying for tell we able-bodied retailers them plenty thank you. The one them where they come out very early in the morning for begin sell from 7:30 for meet up the 9 a.m. draw, and the one where they operate stay by 8 for sell the last straw. We know say it's tough. It's the rainy seasons. There are times when we know how the rain can do if you were on a place where they cover. I mean, we know the rain season, if you didn't say ourselves the kind of disaster where it don't cause. So we always pray for God's protection on our side, and when I keep it up, the good work. So customers them again. Now the reason for our existence, as I can normally say, no matter how much time will come now, the media, no matter how much however to place, if at the end of the day we will not respond by patronizing us now for nothing, there are two leos every single day, every single draw. Now don't make Mercury International waiting a bit so they like today, and then same money the day now they take and pay each and every winner. Once you win correctly, no discrepancy, they don't process that draw. Believe me, we begin pay instantly. Will not get go come. I make each and every terminals them where they out there, they pay up to a certain amount. If you win big, yes, you can come now Walpole Street office and can cash your tickets. So both the retailers and the customers them, they are our primary stakeholders them, because without the retailers them, we can't sell our products them. Without the customers them, then we're not get that thing for sale. So now two-way streets. Everybody important. Everybody gets involved on a place so far for the past 17 years, and we're grateful, we're thankful to now from the bottom of our hearts, Mercury International, the retailers and customers them as well. The Lotto game now $6 a day, as you can see. You are not compelled to play every single draw. Play responsibly. Every advert will get, every flyer will get underneath. From both football or online or bookmaker resources, they play responsibly.
All right, Mr. Kola, just chip in. You talk about something we get for do with prompt payment, you know, and I think that's even make the difference between other companies when it comes to this particular betting. The ticket we the all is a check. And at the end of the day, when you go to Mercury, like how you see them validate them without any discrepancies, automatically then they pay you. Take me to with prompt payment, we don't definitely make we number one. So possibly we don't even owe a Mercury ticket. They don't see that say you don't win. Before even they go collect that money, they don't take money other side. Because it sure say as you go, when them process that ticket, all about money from Mercury International.
Yes, when they talk about supply chain, you get what we call the value chain. Mercury will value chain now prompt payments. Then they will pride yourself for a bad one. Once you don't win, they don't verify your ticket, say you don't win. Will not get no reason not for pay you. That ticket today when you win, as by law right, they say that you check. And that ticket stay valid for 1 month, 1 full month. So if you win today, you can hold that ticket stay next month, the 12th. After that, it become invalid. We're not going to pay you again. Even if your ticket loss, we'll get 1 month period. We'll verify, say yes. You able to tell the machine you go play them. We'll wait for that 1 month period. Afterwards, if nobody no can claim them, we can pay you. If your ticket damage again, there's a process we can pay you. But we can always advise, say, secure the tickets. The serial number is very, very, very important. Yes, prompt payment, we will sing them. We go sing out of this country. Once you win, genuinely, no matter how much you win, we need look by that one day person will say win mark you will pay half. You win 10 million, you can't see so
take 2 million.
You have 5 million first. Yeah. Can next week. Almost you win, you can't take for your money. We say yeah, your money. Thank you very much.
And continue for
please. Patronize us again.
Exactly.
That's Samako International.
All right. Time nothing our favor. Bidwell, waiting are your final statement where you will tell the retailers, because I see you very much passionate about them. Come rain or shine, then they out there for make sure say they sell to customers. So what you go tell them this morning in terms of tapping them on the back? That's definitely the need for do more.
Yes, thank you very much. Bye. Retailers, waiting me they tell you punctual to your payments. Which you don't sell today, tomorrow morning we do claim, go pay. When you pay, you don't get problem. But if you the machine the lock, that customer they feel bad, when they cancel you. See, for they play for and they cannot meet you. We actually machine lock. Pay. When you pay lock up, they lock you.
Okay, all right. That's how Team Bidwell gets for say. Quick one. Martins, as a way of rounding up, like I say, the weekend action is here. What you get for settle football customers in terms of patronizing the game?
Yes, thank you very much. The red box they out there, starting from today. Go now at the red box, make yourself millionaire. You understand? Starting from 2000, you bet. You understand? Upwards. So then I quite comfort zone. Select all the teams to do and bet on the mega long list. From there, one at the red box, let's take you bet. With that, you will see what will happen. As all the teams they win.
All right, of course, that's how we go draw the curtain down of the program this morning. Of course, this morning we've been telling you exactly about the importance of the lotto. We definitely look at the predictions, them how they're important. Mr. Femi Cole definitely broaden the discussion as to how customers for relate with the retailers, and he talk about we prompt payment. Of course, Samuel Bidwell been through the line in terms of the lotto discussion. Martin from the bookmakers department himself been definitely to the line at the discussion, tell you exactly what he mean for play the football product of Mercury International. Well, on behalf of me, self and Mercury International, I want to say plenty thank you to all my colleagues them from different departments, the marketing department, the online department, from the headquarters to the radio department. These guys were very much helpful to me, you know, because I definitely be rich right now. I lost me big boy picking Abdul Karim Bangura, formerly of the John F. Kennedy Secondary School. We just promote for go from 6 after short illness, you know, and colleagues they again from SLBC all day Swasal, Francis Bernard, Esther Mary Sambura, they all be reach out. I want to say thank you for that particular time, because it's not been very much easy. But when you get your family around, you get colleagues there around, you get people there around you, you definitely take heart, you know. And to my wife, I just want to say, take courage. All is not lost, all is not done and dusted. The Almighty will take definitely go fill in the vacuum left by Mr. Bangura. Till we meet again, have a pleasant day, have a pleasant weekend, take good care of yourself, and bye bye, goodbye.